Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stretch your videos in CapCut PC. It is super simple. You can also do it with photos. So I'm just going to grab this video right here and I'm just going to go to position and size and basic, turn off uniform scale, and this is where you can stretch your video vertically and horizontally. Hope I said that right. So here you can scale the width, you can stretch it out, and you can even make it like super thin. And here is where you can stretch out the height. And this is what your video should look like after you've really stretched it out. If you want to like scale it and you want to scale everything, just turn on uniform scale again and you can scale it up. If you want to remove that uniform scale, select it again, double click on width and height, and it's going to bring it back to the normal size. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.